Imagine if you could put a cheeseburger in a spreadsheet. Imagine if instead of resumes, everyone had their own personalized theme song.
Imagine if I could turn this paper into a stand-up comedy act.
Imagine if AI did not replace, but actually empowered everyone.
What did you say?
I mean, imagine if AI made every existing application smarter instead of replacing them. Imagine if I didn't have to share my emails and all my life with AI just to get it to work. I chose software because of its incredible power to create jobs, save lives, create opportunity. That's why I do it. AI should empower, not replace. It should give every human superpowers. Whatever your dream is, to turn your resume into a theme song, your homework into a stand-up comedy act, or put a cheeseburger into a spreadsheet, we will make it happen.
This is the time to unswitch.
My mission is to empower, not replace. Give every human superpowers, making every application have its place. So watch this. You want a podcast? I've got you a podcast. You want a document? I got you 10. You want an image? I give you an image. You want me to click and type for you? Sure, I do that too. Look, my no hands. Look, my no apps. Control C, Control V. Unswitch. Are you alright? It's all gonna be okay. I bring order to your browser tab, chaos. I prepare your slides, you prepare your coffee too. I bring peace to your desktop war. I do research while you do your number two. Look, my no hands. Look, my no apps. Control C, Control V. Unswitch. You're stuck with an API. I just wanted to click and type for me. No plugins, no extensions, no arbitrary code, no nonsense. Look, my no hands. Look, my no apps. Control C, Control V. Unswitch. You're stuck with chatbots. What's this, the 80s? All that typing just sucks. Come back to the future, it's fun over here. Look, my no hands. Look, my no apps. Control C, Control V. Unswitch. You call it magic, I call it Tuesday. Look, my no hands. Look, my no apps. Control C, Control V. Fast hands on the keyboard.
It's not just some cute AI, it gets shit done.
No has.
No bullshit.
Empower, not replace. Life is one click away. Go live a little. Look, my no hands. Look, my no apps. Control C, Control V. Unswitch.
Unswitch believes in making every application smarter, letting you work with any data and create anything you want with it. Let me show you. This is Microsoft Paint on Windows. We don't want to replace it. We want to make it smarter. For example, I have a photo of a house, and I'd like to have a large window here, a deck here, and also maybe I can draw a person at the front here. Sorry, I'm not great at drawing. But that should be enough. So now I select this and copy. Now I open Unswitch, go to AI Media, and explain what I want. A larger window, a deck, and a person as highlighted in red. And done. Now we just wait. Once the request is completed, I can just ask to paste it back. Now, I choose where I want the updated image to go and just click. Done. Did you imagine you could do that on Microsoft Paint? Well, now you can. Now, how do you create your own personalized theme song for your resume? I know, right? World's most important problem to solve. But here's how you do it. I can copy a resume file, or I could even open my LinkedIn profile, select all the text in it, and just copy. Now I open Unswitch. This time I use AI media because, well, I want music out of it. I would do the same, for example, to create a podcast from my LinkedIn feed, so you can listen to the updates from your network while you do your work. Or even a stand-up comedy act. Have you tried to turn the most boring document you really don't want to read into a stand-up comedy act? I highly recommend it. Then, in the output type, I pick music. Now I can add a few instructions. For example, maybe I want country music specifically. And that's it. Now I click Create and wait for the request to complete. Let's listen to this personalized resume theme song.
From the London fog to the New York skyline lights, crunching all the numbers through the middle of the night. With a Wharton gown and a LSE degree, he's the architect of modern fiscal strategy. Start in London, Sterling and Company, modeling the DCF and LBOs you see. Then he moved to Meridian in the Chicago wind, where the audit and the controls were strictly disciplined. He saved $12 million when the euro hit the floor, hedging out the risk and locking up the door. He's Jonathan Auster, a leader and a CFA. The chief financial officer is gonna lead the way. From an M&A to capital, he's driving value roles. Impact.
If I asked you, human, to convert this picture to this table, you would know that the picture means food, the table means nutrients, and that my intent is to annotate the name of the dish represented here and the nutritional values. But with AI, this all seems too complicated. And now we need chatbots, plugins, extensions. Wouldn't it be easier if I could just point out the thing, then point to the table and ask it to figure it out? Well, watch this. First, I copy the image. Then I click at the spreadsheet, which, by the way, could be any spreadsheet: Excel, Google Sheets, on Mac, Windows, or any other form. And now I open Unswitch and ask it to type. To open Unswitch on Mac, you just hit Option and Space. On Windows, you can use the Copilot key, or if your keyboard doesn't have it, Windows plus C. Now I could add additional instructions on how I want this to be done, but let's see if it can figure it out with no instructions whatsoever. Now we wait for a little bit. And done. Now you know how to add a cheeseburger to a spreadsheet too. By the way, I could have copied a document, another spreadsheet, multiple files. It all works the exact same way. Let me show you. Here's a resume, so I copy it. Now I come to this sheet where I'm capturing names, emails, and phone numbers and make it type. Done.